Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we will guide all of us on how to use document collaboration, integration, and tools. First I will teach you how to insert comments and track changes. We will use Microsoft Words. We will open Words and add a paragraph like this. We will use it for an example, okay? They will probably mark your error and write their opinions in red pen. Okay, but now we could do that automatically without print it. Okay, using Words, we use two features called track changes and comments. Okay, to do this, click on the review tab, then click the track changes. Okay, now by any changes that I make to document will appear as markup. Okay, for example, when I delete text, okay, like this, it will doesn't go away because it will just get crossed out like this with red color. Another example, when I add more text like this, it will get underlined with red color, with also red color. Okay. Okay, then you will also add comments in the margin by selecting the text you want to comment on. Okay, click. Okay, for in this example, you can write any type of your opinions that you want to suggest to your friends or to your family, to the owner of this document lah. When you're done, click anywhere outside the comments box to close it. Okay, you can also click at the review pin to easily review or change the comments. Then you can also change reviewer information and reply. To change username, you can click on the tracking option. Okay, to reply the comment, you just click at the right of the comments box and reply. Okay, then as the original owner of the document, it's up to them to accept the changes to make them as permanent or reject them. If they disagree with your opinions, it's up to them. Okay, just select it like this, and then go to accept, to keep it, or to reject it. You can even open the menu underneath to accept or reject all the changes that you make just now. To remove any comments, start by selecting the box, select like this, then go to the delete comment. You can delete just the current one that you selected, or all of them at once. Okay, if you choose no markup like this, click add the no markup, and all the markup that you changed just now will disappear. But for addition, hiding all the markup isn't the same as accepting all changes. You have to accept or reject, right? Okay, sorry for my broken English. Till we meet again. Thank you.
Now I want to teach you how to chart a word table using Microsoft Graph. It's mean you can change the table into the Microsoft Graph. Okay. First of all, you must open the words on Microsoft Words. Okay, go to the insert. Go to the insert. Okay, you can see the table. Okay, click here and make your own table. Okay, for example that I create I write something here and unless have a number. um okay, after you create the table, complete the table, you must click the button, and you can see like this, highlight like this, and then you go to the object, click here, object, and then uh, there you can see many options that you can choose, like I want to change a word table into Microsoft Graph, so you must choose the Microsoft Graph and it will change like this. Okay, and then that's all from me. Okay, now I want to teach you how to changing the tracking option. Mm, First of all, open the words or the Microsoft Word, and then go to the review, and here you can see the track change area. So you must click the track change launcher, and then you can see the advanced option. Then you must select it. Okay, and then it will show you like this, like this. Okay. um okay, as you can see the insertion, deletion, change line, color, comment, and the other else. uh, okay, insertion means when you add the text, which is um, set a format and color when you insert text into document, and then you can change the color to fit value or have no color at all in the color field. uh, for example, underline, strike through, color only. And for the deletion means set a format and color when you delete text from a document. You can change color to fit to fit a fit value also. And change line mean you can change the position of the border, like right, left, and outside. Okay, for the comments, the comment you can set a color line for comment on change, such as format change. For the track move you can set word to track when you cut and paste text to another part of a document. Uh, for the move, okay, for the move, you can set the format for the for cut text when post elsewhere. This can be set to several formats. Okay, and then insert cells. Insert cells mean that you can set the color of table cell when you insert the new ones. And then the delete cell, if you set color of table when you delete. And then merge cell. Merge mean when you merge the multiple cell. Okay. This one is track formatting. Track formatting is used to turn on or off track change on the format, such as making something bold or changing font size. And then this one, formatting. Formatting to set how the format text that you then highlight. Okay, this one for the margin, you can put the right or left. And then if you want to save, just click OK. That's all.
Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Sharifah Najwa and today I will teach you on how to link an Excel worksheet to a Word document. Excel basic, charting a Word table using Office chat tools, and creating a blog post. Okay, firstly, you have to open Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, put it side by side to make easier for you. First, create a table. Okay, to make this table easier for me, I use range between 1 until 20. It's up to you to use whatever number you want. Equal range between next, copy and paste it on a Word. Paste using link and keep source formatting. If you want to edit anything, you can edit it here. For example, this is 4. I change it to 6. And there you go. To break the link, copy, right click, link worksheet object, links, and break the link. Okay, next is how to insert bar chart. Insert, choose bar, copy your table on Word, and then paste it on Excel, and your bar is done. If you want to design your bar, you can choose the color here. Change another bar, you can just click the change chart type and choose whatever bar you want. Okay. Change another bar, you can just click the change chart type and choose whatever bar you want. Okay. If you want to change another bar, you can just click the change chart type and choose whatever bar you want. Okay. Okay, next, if you want to change your label, you can go to layout, chart title, exist title, legend, data labels, data table. Okay, for chart title, you can add any title for your chart. For example, okay, next is exist title. Exist title is it's depend on the unit of your graph, of your bar chart. Okay. And then legend is your group here. You can put it on the top or right, but I prefer to put it on the bottom. Okay, next is data labels. This is for the number of your data. And that's it, your bar chart is done. Next is blog post, file, new, blog post. For example, next is insert, table, quick table and choose the second one. And you are done. Publish. Actually you have to register an account. I don't register any account, so that's it from me.